1,000! Well, that's not bad.
Over 1,000. We just surpassed Mr. Popo.
Move aside, Mr. Popo. Oh man, we're not even stronger than Raditz. To celebrate, I think I'm gonna shave my mustache.
I don't need it anymore. It's dying. It doesn't want to do it. It knows it's wrong. I'm gonna miss you.
Game development is going mainstream, and the barrier to entry has been lowered by programs like Game Maker Studio and Unity. There's also a buttload of students taking game design courses now in colleges. I was one of them. The con is the sheer amount of games being uploaded to the internet. This is just Steam, and 2019, you can bet your ass it's way higher than this. This flood of games makes it a lot harder to get noticed as an indie. That sucks, but you can also leverage this. There are so many devs right now that a channel like mine can exist. There's now an audience for game development. I figured you guys want to see some analytics, so check this out. In the last 90 days, my channel's up 999% in all these criteria. How is that even possible? Well, if we go, actually let me stay zoomed in. If we go back, if we go to the lifetime of my channel, you can see that it was dead. I created a channel and nobody was watching. There's these little bumps where I uploaded videos, but what I was uploading were, let me show you. So I unlisted pretty much all my videos because I thought the quality was too low.
Check out this massive level.
So then they got a little bit better. So check this out. Check out the enemies coming up. Look at him get knocked back. As you could tell, all the videos were a devlog, and this is kind of selfish content. If you don't have a fan base, no one's gonna watch you just develop a game. Most of these videos got like 15 views, at best 100. But I didn't catch my lucky break until I started making GB Studio tutorial video. Check it out. This is before I made my GB Studio tutorials, and then after. I go to itch like every week. It's a great place for free indie games. You can follow me on itch too. I have a free asset pack, art asset pack that I keep adding onto. But anyway, I saw GB Studio here and I went to YouTube and there were no tutorials. So I ended up being one of the first people to make tutorials for GB Studio. When you search for GB Studio on itch, the second thing is my game, Gerb's Adventure. So I was a really early adopter and I saw that it was a popular program with no tutorials and no assets, and that's exactly what I did. And if you go here on to the itch page, I was advertising my YouTube right here, and a lot of my traffic was from the GB Studio Discord community and from itch. That original GB Studio getting started video got me 7,000 views to date. I have a ton of videos in my GB Studio playlist, but it's gonna be hard coming up with good content for this. So I pivoted a little bit towards pixel art and recently game design. I think those two will still help people who love GB Studio, but it allows my channel to expand. And I think I made the right call because Game Design School right now is my #1 video for the amount of views it got within 4 days. So I think that I made a little pivot that's gonna benefit the channel greatly.
And I hope you stick around to see me get that silver play button. We just surpassed Mr. Popo.